Good morning! We are currently in El Nido, Palawan. Kita nyo ba yan? Yung rock na yan. Yan yung iconic rock here in El Nido. So dumating kami kahapon. Lumipat kami from NAIA Terminal 3 to Puerto Princesa. 1 hour lang yung flight duration. Pero as you know, syempre marami pang preparation bago ka makapunta sa airport. So technically, mas mahaba pa yung ginawa namin prior to the flight. And then, after ng 1 hour flight, meron ka ring 5-hour road trip from Puerto Princesa to El Nido. Meron din naman atang airport dito sa El Nido, pero medyo mas expensive siya. That's why most people would prefer a route passing through Puerto Princesa muna. Ayun. So, yung road trip na yon ay, I would say, unlimited Marilaki ride. Kasi super, you know, para siyang Baguio, para siyang Marilaki na zigzag. Pero, flat naman yung road. Maayos naman siya. So, I don't find it bumpy. So, if you're traveling, make sure na makuha mo yung tamang pwesto sa van para hindi ka mahilo or magsuka. Today is our second day. Ang pinili namin ay ang Tour A and Tour C. So, tomorrow naman yung Tour C. Marami ang papakita sa inyo. Yesterday, since it's my father-in-law's birthday, so medyo nag-splurge kami sa food. We tried Bad Thai restaurant. So, it's a Thai restaurant, of course. In terms of food, masarap. Para siyang legit na Thai food. And yung serving nila malalaki din. Pero yung price range nila is nag-range from 300 to 500. So, medyo on the expensive side siya. And then at night, naglakad-lakad kami sa beach. So, itong inistayan namin ay just a few minutes away from the beach. Naglakad kami doon hanggang nahanap namin yung Big Mamas. So, ito puro Pinoy food, pero ang sarap. In fairness, masarap yung mga luto nila. Kaya mostly makikita mo doon ay mga foreigners who likes Filipino food. And yung price range nila ay from 200 to 400. Way cheaper than Bad Thai. So, yung Bad Thai sa taas siya. Second floor nung the same building, tapos yung Big Mama sa baba. Yan lang. So later, i-update ko kayo ulit.
Will be set for today. So, Sibin Commando Beach, by the way, Sibin Commando Beach is part of the mainland. But the only access to go there is by boat. Okay, it's like 20 minutes or 15 minutes away. And then second, one of the highlights of our tour is the Big Lagoon. So, Big Lagoon, our activities there is kayaking. Kayak is for rental, okay? That's not include your package. So, you need to rent your own expenses. 300 pesos, good for 2 people. And then there's a crystal kayak on there, 500 pesos, a little bit expensive than the regular. And then we have a kayak for 3 person, it's like 500 also. Okay? So, next, it will be our lunch area in Sibiso Island. That is my favorite island. Okay? Because it's lunch here. Alright.
Video na, panahulog, i-click.